Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. I am Mehak, student of 10th standard of Navodaya Convent Senior Secondary School. Today I want to express my thoughts on never give up. So without wasting the time, let's start it.
Some people say that there exist two types of peoples in this world, successful and failure. But I say there exists only one type of people, and that is only successful person. I think there is no person who is a failure. Every man is successful in their life more or less. We all try with our heart to do any work, but in that work everyone is trying to win. So everyone of course will be not the winner. Someone has to fail. Unfortunately, one person wins and the other one fails. The person who fails is not actually a failure. He is also the winner. This time he failed, but the next time he will succeed. If he tries one day, he will surely win. But before winning, he has failed several times. So, can we say that he is actually a failure? No, of course not. This failing was some steps to the success. This failing is just a part of success. So, failing is a part of our life. If a person fails, that does not mean that he is a failure or a loser. Rather than this means that he is the winner of the future. The one who fails several times does not actually a failure. He just finds several ways that does not work. Then why he will not be as a failure. So if we fail, that does not mean that I will not be able to succeed. This means that I will succeed next time. For example, I was walking on the road and did not realize that there was a banana trash, and suddenly I realized that there was a banana trash on it. Suddenly I slept and fell. The next day I put the trash off the road so that I will not fall ever again. I have to realize the reason for my fail, and then I have to find another way to succeed. Giving up will not make a failure successful. It will not solve all the problems. If a man really wants to succeed, then he has to try several times. Why do we give up? If we give up, then our life will be a waste. We have to believe that we can do everything we want. We are the best. Today I am failure, but one day I am surely will be the successful man. Today I am running after the success, but one day success will run after me. Giving up is just a waste. We have to keep this in mind. There can be found no person who gave up and become successful in his life, but there can be found a lot of people who tried but did not give up, become successful one day. With the hope, we can go far. We have to always keep this in mind. One day we can go away more. Today somebody else is ruling the world, but one day we have to rule the world. So we cannot give up this way. We have to rise and show the world, prove the world our real identity, that what we are. One day we will rule the world. We have to be prepared. Giving up does not make any sense. Rather, it's just a waste of our life. Then why? Why do we give up? Let's ask this question to yourself. When we give up, is it true to give up? Is it important to give up? We all have to fail yesterday, today or tomorrow, but this does not mean that we will not able to succeed. If we try, success will come to us and back to us. Success will knock our door and will cry to accept the success. Thank you.